Hello students, in last lectures we have already discussed about combinations of cells. Okay, but उसमें हमने क्या फाइंड किया था, मैक्सिमम करंट, इन विच कंडीशन द करंट इज मैक्सिमम. Okay, there are three combinations: series combination, parallel combination and mixed combination. So in series combinations the current is maximum when internal resistance is negligible as compared to external resistance, and in parallel combinations current is maximum when external resistance is negligible as compared to internal resistance, and in mixed combinations when both the resistances are equal. Okay, now today we are going to solve how to connect cells in series. First, when the negative terminal of one cell, this, is connected to the positive terminal of other cell, and so on. So the cells are connected to be in series. Here three cells, E1 and E2. Their EMF E1 and E2, and the internal resistance R1 and R2. Okay, so now, and the current passes through these two cells. Okay, we know that current leaving the positive terminal and entering the negative terminal. So here we, just like suppose there are three terminals A, B and C. So internal resistance between A and B across the cells E1 R1 and across the cell E2 of EMF R2. Now here the equivalent EMF E and equivalent internal resistance R. So if they are connected in series, so first we have to find the potential difference between VA and VB, and then VB and VC. So first potential difference across the cell of EMF E1. So this is, let's say, VAB. So VAB equal to VA minus VB. Okay, now VA minus VB, we know that potential across the cell. So here EMF E1 minus I R1. Okay, potential difference across the cell, it is E minus IR. So E1 minus IR. Similarly, the potential difference across the EMF E2 second cell, that is VBC. So VB minus VC, it is E2 minus IR2. Now we need to find the potential difference between A and C. So VAC. So VAC means VA minus VC. So potential difference across A and C, VAC, that is VA minus VC. We can also write VA minus VC like that, VA minus VB. VA minus VB plus VB माइनस VC. हम ऐसा लिख सकते हैं, देखिए VB से VB कैंसिल हो जाएगा तो किसके लोग हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा आपके VA माइनस VC के इक्वल हो जाएगी ये वैल्यू. ओके, या ऐसा भी कह सकते हैं VA माइनस VAC मीन्स VA माइनस VB प्लस VB माइनस VC. A to B potential difference and B to C. Now VA minus VB equal to this. So and the equivalent EMF will let, that is VAC E and minus equivalent internal resistance IR. Okay, according to this diagram. Okay, net EMF E and E and internal resistance small r. So VAC E minus IR equal to VA minus VB E1 minus IR1 plus E2 माइनस IR2. अब हम इसमें से क्या करें, ये देखिए ये हो गया E1 प्लस E2, यहाँ से माइनस साइन कॉमन हुआ और I कॉमन आ गया माइनस I. सो R1 प्लस R. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, E माइनस IR इक्वल टू E1 plus E2 minus I R1 plus R2. So E equal to E1 plus E2 and R equal to this. So net EMF E equal to E1 plus E2 and net internal resistance R equal to R1 plus R2. Okay, if there are three cells, so net EMF E equal to E1 plus E2 plus E3 and internal resistance R1 plus R2 plus R3 and so on. Okay, so when the cells are connected in series, their net EMF this E1 plus E2. Okay, if the n number of cells of equal EMF E are connected in series, so equivalent EMF N E and internal resistance N R. Now one more thing, if these cells are connected like this, opposite signs, suppose this is E1 and this negative terminal is connected to this. Okay, this is E1 and that is E2. So in this case the net EMF E1 माइनस E2. ओके, जब हम सेल्स को सीरीज में हम कैसे कनेक्ट करते हैं कि एक सेल का निगेटिव दूसरे के पॉजिटिव से कनेक्ट हो, बट अगर एक का निगेटिव दूसरे के निगेटिव से ही कनेक्ट हो या पॉजिटिव पॉजिटिव से कनेक्ट हो, उस केस में दोनों में डायरेक्शन अपोजिट हो जाएगी और उस केस में प्लस की प्लेस पर क्या हो जाएगा आपका E1 माइनस E2 इंस्टेड ऑफ E1 प्लस E2. नाउ पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ सेल्स. इन पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशंस, when the positive terminals of all cells are connected to one point and all their negative terminals to another points, so the cells are said to be connected in parallel. And we know that in parallel combinations the current is different and potential difference across all the terminals is same. So here suppose these two cells of EMF E1 and E2 are connected in parallel, their internal resistance R1 and R2. Okay, now the current, this I, in both the branches the current is different, here I and here also I. Suppose now in this branch from here it is I1 and it is also I1. Okay, now here and here I2. Now this current is divided into two parts, I1 and I2. So we need to find these two currents, I1 and I2. Okay, this is clear. Now current here I, now here it is divided into two branches, so I1 and I2. Now again we have to find the potential difference A and C. So it is same, the potential difference A and B1 are B1 and B2. The potential difference B1 and B2, let it is V. Okay, so in the first case we have to find the potential difference across B1 and B2. So let's V equal to VB1 minus VB2. Okay, so this is equal to E1 minus IR1. Okay, so from this we have to find the value of I1. Now so I1 equal to how much, E1 इधर आ जाएगा, so E1 minus V upon R1. Okay, now similarly again we have to find this potential, this V equal to VB1 minus VB2. और किसकी इक्वल हो सकता है, ये सेकंड सेल के अक्रॉस भी पोटेंशियल सेम आपका यही रहेगा. सी बट ये क्या हो जाएगा, E2 माइनस IR2, और इससे हम I2 की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे. सो I2 इक्वल टू E2 minus V upon R2 and net current I equal to, since net EMF E minus V and net internal resistance R. Now put this value in the first equation, that is I equal to I1 plus I2. So I equal to E minus V upon R equal to E1 minus V upon R1 and I2 equal plus I2 equal to E2 minus V upon R2. Now take the LCM. Now here E1 upon R1 minus V upon R1, E2 upon R2 and माइनस वी अपॉन आर टू, तीनों हम सेपरेट कर लें. सो ये क्या हो जाएगा E1 अपॉन R1 प्लस E2 अपॉन R2 और माइनस साइन कॉमन हो जाएगा इसमें से. ओके, सो ये वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी, तो ये वैल्यू हमारी आ जाएगी यहाँ पर E माइनस आई आर इक्वल टू E1 अपॉन R1 प्लस E2 अपॉन R2 माइनस V 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. Okay, now compare these equations. The first we have to find V. So these portions, the whole portions, sorry here something is going to wrong. This is equal to, let's I. Okay, now again this is a E minus V upon R. Okay, इसे हम I ही ले लेते हैं. Suppose this is equal to I. Okay, so I equal to this, because since I equal to I1 plus I2. Okay, so this is I1 and this is I2. Now first we have to find V. So V equal to V equal to this portion is going to here, so this is plus, so V equal to, take LCM, E1 R1 plus E2 R2 upon first take this value here, so V, take the LCM. Now R1 plus R2 upon R1 R2 equal to, now here also we take LCM, so ये हो गया हमारा E1 R2 प्लस E2 R1 एन अपॉन में आ जाएगी वैल्यू R1 R2 और ये प्लस आई इधर ट्रांसफ़र होकर माइनस आई. नाउ V इक्वल टू, जब V इक्वल टू इस साइड लेंगे हम, सो ये R1 से R1 तो यहाँ कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगी वैल्यू. सो ये क्या आ जाएगी वैल्यू, so V equal to E1 R1, sorry E1 V equal to E1 R2 plus E2 R1 and this is divided by R1 plus R2 and here minus I R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. Okay, so we know that V equals to E minus IR. So this whole portion is equal to E, and the remaining this is equal to net R. So net EMF E equal to E1 R1, sorry, E1 R2 plus E2 R1 upon R1 plus R2, and that is net internal resistance. Okay, R R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. So in parallel combination the total resistance is this. Okay.